Hey everyone, I'm going to tell you how you can enter your YouTube TV promo code. So if you have a promo code that you want to apply, what you can do is you can simply click on that link. If you have a link, then that link is your promo code. You can click on the link to apply that promo code. But if you only have a code and you want to paste it somewhere to apply it, what you can do is you can simply go to the top right corner and you can go to settings. In your settings on the left side, as you can see in the very end, there is the promo codes option. You can click on this, and if you have a promo code, you can simply paste that promo code here and enter it. You can simply paste that promo code here and you can get the discount of the promo code and you can redeem it. So this is how you can use the promo code and get the discounts. So I hope this was helpful and this solved your problem. Thank you so much for watching.